Previewing your email gives you the opportunity to double-check for things like typos or broken links and images. From the email page, click here and then choose Preview. A pop-up will display where you can preview your email as if you're receiving it in your inbox. To see how your email will look on a mobile device, just click Mobile. Another feature on this page that you can take advantage of is Inbox Preview. Inbox Preview is an add-on feature that allows you to preview what your email will look like in a variety of email providers and devices. Depending on your plan, you get a number of inbox previews per month. If you notice any issues or broken links, just close the preview window and edit your email to resolve them. From the preview page, you can also send test emails to your friends or colleagues. Enter up to 5 email addresses in the box here and include a note to explain why you're sending it to them. And that's how easy it is to preview and test your emails with Constant Contact.